Removing earwax from your ear canal. First, let's start by discussing the product. The Wax Blaster MD is basically a squirt bottle with a funky shape. Now, Austere, which happens to be the same company that makes Earwax MD, which is the solution that I prefer to put inside a patient's ears to soften up their earwax, but they say that this ergonomic design is easier to hold, and it's not bad, but basically it's just a simple squirt bottle. Now, the cool thing about this, the thing that I actually really like about it, is that they, instead of giving you one of those droopy nozzles, they actually give you a solid one. And the cool thing about this is that it makes it substantially easier to operate this with one hand. So you can literally stand over the sink like this and squirt the water inside of your ear instead of having to use two hands to hold that little floppy thing that most of these squirt bottles give you. The other unique thing that you might notice about the Wax Blaster MD is the unique tip on this. Now, it shoots water straight from the center here, but it also has three
Droopy, droopy, droopy.